welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your home address in Google Maps using the latest 2026 method. If you've recently moved to a new house or simply want Google Maps to use a different home location, this step-by-step guide will help you update it in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your Windows PC or laptop and go to *Maps, Google.com*. Sign in with the Google account where your home address is saved. If you're already logged in, you're ready to continue. Once Google Maps loads, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Saved *. Inside the Saved section, select Labeled *. This is where Google Maps stores your home and work addresses. Now, find the **home** label. If you already have a home address saved, click the *edit** option next to it. If no home address has been added yet, simply click **home* to create one. A search box will appear. Type your new home address, street name, or location. As you type, Google Maps will show matching results. Carefully select the correct address from the list to avoid saving the wrong location. After selecting the address, Google Maps will automatically update your home location. In most cases, you don't need to click a Save button because the changes are saved instantly to your Google account. To confirm the update, type **home** into the Google Maps search bar and press Enter. If the map takes you to your new address, everything has been updated successfully. If you ever move again, you can follow the same steps to edit your home address at any time. You can also remove your current home location from the labeled section and add a completely new one whenever you need. Keeping your home address up to date makes it easier to get accurate directions, estimated travel times, and faster navigation whenever you're heading home. And that's it. That's how to change your home address in Google Maps using the latest 2026 method. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks.